Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing what I got for my 23rd birthday. It's a little bit late because I haven't been feeling well lately. And I just want to put a disclaimer out there that I'm not trying to brag or be a show off or anything, but I'm really appreciative to all the gifts that I got. So let's get into the video and get your fashion fix here. So this is what my mom got me. This is the pink bag. I'm just going to show you guys. First, she got me this really nice card. It has like perfumes on it. A really neat card. And the first thing I got from my mom was the Real Techniques brushes, like the starter kit. You get like a powder brush, eyeshadow brushes, and the beauty blender, which is really nice. I'll put this to good use. And then she got me a Body Shop body wash, strawberry. I bet you that would smell really nice. And then got this Milk and Honey from the Body Shop. It's another body wash for dry skin. And then it's like a body wash marathon here. And then this is also from Body Shop. It's just like a luxury flannel which you can use to like cleanse and take your face mask off. And then from Pandora, and the box is inside the bag. The box just looks like this. And I got this Eiffel Tower Paris charm, my Pandora bracelet, and that's all I got from my mom. Also from my mom, the Peppy and Co LED mask. So I'll just open it now. So it has the cord, this white like dust bag, the cord that you plug in to use it, and in this dust bag, and then it's got the user manual in there. It's a pretty nice satin dust bag here, and it just looks like this at the front, and at the back that's where like all the LED light is, and they have like these side things and the protectors for your eyes. And yeah, this is a really nice gift because it's really relaxing and it's really good for like acne and like dry skin and stuff, so I'm excited to use this. So thanks, Mom. So I went shopping with my dad and he got me this from Cuba. I think that's how you pronounce it. Just a little disclaimer, if that's not how you pronounce it, that's okay. I just pronounce it like that. It's a hard name to say. I'm just gonna like open up this nice black ribbon here. I got these blue jeggings, and they're like the skinny fit, so they're like really stretchy and yeah, they look good, really nice. Jeggings with a dark blue denim. And this is what they look like up close. Yeah, I'm really excited to wear these. And I also got another pink top, which hasn't arrived yet, but we'll definitely put a picture in so you guys can see. It's a pink top with gold buttons, and it's really, really nice, and I think it will look really nice with these leggings and a certain bag. So my dad also got me money, but also got me the Gucci Guilty Absolute Eau de Parfum in the purple bottle, and I'll put a picture here of what it looks like. It smells really incredible and it's such a bougie perfume. Okay, so sorry guys, I forgot to show you the card my dad got me. It's this really pretty glittery card with shopping bags and a glittery skirt, which is so me. So yeah, that's the card, guys. I really love it. So this is a package that I got Comment down below if you like packages being delivered because I find it so exciting. It's a designer lipstick, so it's the YSL Rouge lipstick. It's super cute packaging, really nice gold there. So we're gonna just open it up now. And here it is. It's got really nice like purple inside. It's in the shade 48 Plum. And if I zoom in like really close, I put FF there for Fashion Fix and a star. I thought that personalized touch was really nice. And then this is what it looks like. Just this really nice purple color. I can't wait to use it. And this is like super pretty. That's YSL on Saint Laurent there. So I got this Hoyts Giftcard, movie gift card from my godparents, Sonia and Rob. Thank you so much. I'm really excited to use this, and I'm gonna use it for the House of Gucci movie because I really want to see that movie, and it's Gucci, it's designer, so that's why I want to watch that. That's like a no-brainer. And then from my nana, I got a Myer $30 gift card. Thank you for that. So this is a card my Uncle Marsh got me. It's like this really super cute pink card. Pink was my like birthday theme, so that's pretty cute, and I got some money from him. Yeah, this like pastel pink card is from my friend Amy, and she got me these really beautiful pink flowers, which I'll put a picture in so you guys can see them. So thank you so much, Amy, for that. So guys, I got this top from Angie Baby. This is the one I originally have. It's the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini. I had it for a while, so it's a little bit run down, but I got this top in blue, but it has a Chanel classic flap on it and a Chanel bracelet on it, and I'll put a picture here so you guys can see it. It's super pretty and designer inspired, the Chanel classic flap. So I got these earrings for my birthday as a gift from me to me. You have to treat yourself sometimes. And I also got a really beautiful rope slim, the style's called, ring, which I'll put a picture in so you guys can see that. But I do have the earrings here from Ana Luisa. This is what the bag looks like. And then here. So these are the Frida style earrings with the gold plated and the freshwater pearl. These are super nice and dainty, and I think they'll look really pretty in. And yeah, so that's what I got from there. Usually don't go for these type of earrings, but I thought they were super cute and nice and bougie, so yeah, can't wait to wear these. So I also got for myself a birthday gift. To me was a Lilly silk in icing pink sleep mask. So it's just gonna be really nice to wear that to bed. And silk is really good for your skin, and it's just such a nice material that I love. And I also got some pink and other colors scrunchies from there. I love Lilly silk, so can't wait till they come. So I also got some jeans from Princess Polly, and they're from me again for my 23rd birthday. So they have some really nice patchwork on them, and they're like dark denim, and I think they'll look super nice with my Gucci belt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the post notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and make sure that you stick around because we've got some funny bloopers of this video, and get your fashion fix here. Bye guys! Hey guys, oh my god. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be uploaded. Oh.
To be updated.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notification bells so you...
Okay. Well,
wait. Okay. Wait, I touched my hair.
that's okay. I can cut this out. Okay.
Thank you guys. Wait.
Remember, act like you're talking to me.
Alright, can you start it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys. Oh. Oh, okay. Was that good? Every time I upload a video and get your... Oh my god. Is that better?
Yeah.